my loves, welcome to my next video on my YouTube channel. I'm Shalini Vasmakumar. I'm a mindset and manifestation coach helping you transform your life in 360 degrees. So today in this video, I'm going to be discussing with you 5 major mistakes that you must avoid so that you can manifest your dreams, desires and goals faster than you can even imagine, and of course way better than any advanced manifestors. So no matter if you are here brand new or if you have been practicing manifestation for a long time, make good notes of the points that I'm going to be mentioning and make sure you do not do this in your manifestation journey. So let's get started. The first mistake that I see people making is not practicing gratitude every single day, and this is more relatable to a person who is starting the journey of their manifestation and manifesting their dreams, desires and goals, because a person who has been into this journey for a long time, say 6 months or 1 year, they would have started their manifestation practice via gratitude practice only. But if you have randomly come across this concept of manifestation and you want to get started, the best place to start is by following gratitude practice every single day. Okay, so if you miss it, I'm going to be telling you what the mistake you will be making towards the end of this video. So the first point and the last point is going to be interrelated to each other, the first mistake and the last mistake. So if you're making sure you don't do the first mistake, you won't be making the last mistake. But stay with me till the end so that I tell you exactly what you are missing out if you are not doing the gratitude practice every single day. Gratitude is the first step for attracting abundance or attracting whatever that you want in your life. If you are not happy and grateful for what you have today, no matter what you get in the future, today you might feel like I want this and once I get this I'll be happy, and you will keep postponing your happiness or satisfaction or feeling the content by saying that I'll be happy when I have this, I'll be content when I have this, I'll be grateful when I get this in my life. But I'll tell you, if you're not grateful today, tomorrow also after you get your desire, your monkey mind will jump to another desire, because the human mind, the desires that humans have, they never end. It just keeps going and going and going. So if you wait for something to happen so that you can feel grateful, that is never gonna come. You have to feel grateful today so that you receive more and more of it tomorrow. Okay, so gratitude is the first step. Make sure you consistently practice. It can be something that you just talk to yourself, you just have this inner conversation about what do I feel grateful for today, or it can be you making a list of the things that you're grateful for in your life. The list can include people, situation, things, even yourself, right? So the second mistake I see people making is they start doing the manifestation practices to get something. I see a lot of people doing the same mistake. I have also done this. We generally think manifestation as a beginner, as a quick fix, or to solve our problems. We come into this manifestation, but let me tell you, it is no quick fix, it is no magic. You have to work for it. The work basically means working on your mindset, working on your thought patterns, working on your belief system. So without doing the work, if you are being like, I am doing this to get something out of this, I'll tell you, you will be focused on the lack and you are more likely to quit in between the process because you think it's magic and you're not very sure about how all of these things will work out. Okay, so do it because you really like to do it. Do it because it makes you feel good. In a day, as soon as you wake up, you brush your teeth. Make that similar to your manifestation. Manifestation practices or routines or the intention setting that you do, gratitude practice that you do every single day is equals to you waking up in the morning and brushing your teeth. No matter how bad you feel, no matter how low on energy you are, you brush your teeth, you eat your food. Simple like that. Your manifestation is a lifestyle. So make sure that you think manifestation as a lifestyle that's going to give you long-term success and not a short-term quick result like a magic. Okay, this is no magic, but when you start believing in and doing a lot of work, you will feel like everything around you is magic and you're the luckiest person in this world. Number third, so the next one is thinking that I want only the result. being too attached to the result and not doing the work. When you start getting desperate about the result, you feel that I just want the result. Give me the result. Where is the result? And why is it not showing up? And the more you step into that zone of questioning the process and questioning around why it's not happening, when it's going to happen, and how it's going to happen, and you will not have time to put yourself into embodying the energy that you really want to manifest. Okay, you will be missing out on that when you are in this zone, because you're constantly focusing on the lack of not having something, which will attract more lack into your life. And number 4 is ignoring the self-work that you have to do. What do I mean by self-work is taking time to sit with yourself, have the inner conversation with yourself, asking about where am I insecure, why am I insecure, why do I want this desire, how do I feel in my day, the way you want to be asked by your loved one. You gotta work on yourself, spend some time with self-love, self-care activities, working on your self-concept, working on your personal life. That is what gets you the result in manifestation. Maybe people can tell you that do this technique, you will get the result, but unless and until you do the inner work in here, you feel great about yourself, you think that your personal life is so amazing, till that point you're gonna have a hard time in manifestation. I'll not say your desire won't happen, it will happen, but to sustain that desire, to have that desire forever in your life, working on yourself is the most important aspect. And number 5 is constantly complaining about your life to someone or to yourself. This is what is related to the first mistake that I've mentioned, skipping or avoiding the gratitude practice. If you're not practicing gratitude every day, what happens is our mind will fall back into the negative patterns, because that's the way we have been raised. We have been told to think negative of everything. If someone gives us any bad reviews or bad feedbacks or something bad about ourselves, we get consumed by it a lot. It affects us a lot. But if someone compliments us, they tell us you're so beautiful, or you have an amazing energy, you have amazing skills, we will have hard time in accepting it. And even if we accept it, what happens is immediately we forget it. We'll feel happy about it for half an hour or 1 hour, but after that we will not feel happy. But when it comes to something negative, we obsess over it, we dwell on it at least for half a day or a day. Right? Why? Because that's the way we have been programmed. So for you to break that pattern, you have to stop complaining even when you feel like life is so shit and my life is so bad, nothing is working out in my favor. Before you spill out the word, just close your mouth and tell yourself, I don't have to tell this. I don't have to talk about this to anybody. Okay? This does not mean you're suppressing your feeling. Of course, when something goes wrong, you want to feel it, you want to tell it to people. It's completely okay. Choose a person, 1 person or 2 person maximum, and talk to them about this. But once you've spoken about it, just let it go. Do not dwell on it again and again. Don't keep repeating the same old story. And this will become very easy when you start practicing gratitude on a regular basis, on a daily basis. And that's the reason why I said the first and the last point is interrelated to each other. So make sure you don't do all these 5 mistakes I have mentioned in this video and kickstart your manifestation practice. Do your manifestation because you really like doing it, because you want the long-term results, because you're tired of being and living a mediocre life, you're tired of being in the regret, you're tired of not making the decision to go to the next level or not having the life of overall abundance. Do it for that and you will see amazing results in your life. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on manifestation. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm leaving the link to my Instagram account in the description below. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.